How do you start the trustee removal process? Have you ever wondered what steps are involved in removing a trustee? It can be a complex situation, but understanding the process is essential for protecting the interests of beneficiaries. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to identify valid grounds for removal. Common reasons include breaches of fiduciary duty, such as self-dealing or mismanagement of trust assets. If the trustee fails to provide adequate information or accounting, that can also be a reason for concern. Additionally, if the trustee is unable or unwilling to manage the trust effectively, or if there are conflicts of interest, these can all justify removal. Next, take a close look at the trust document. This agreement may contain specific provisions regarding how a trustee can be removed. Some trusts outline procedures or conditions that must be followed. If there are no clear instructions in the trust document, you will need to refer to state law for guidance. Communication is key. If you are a beneficiary worried about the trustee's performance, it is important to discuss your concerns with other beneficiaries and co-trustees, if applicable. In some areas, if all qualified beneficiaries agree, they can jointly petition for removal. Co-trustees can also initiate the process if they feel the trustee is not fulfilling their duties. Seeking legal advice is a smart move. Trustee removal involves complex legal standards and court procedures. An attorney experienced in elder law, estate law, and trust administration can help you gather evidence and assess the validity of your claims. They will guide you through the process, ensuring you are on the right track. Once you have your grounds and legal support, the next step is to file a petition in court. This petition should clearly state the reasons for removal and provide evidence to support your claims. It is also important to specify what relief you are seeking, such as appointing a successor trustee. The court will notify all interested parties, including the trustee and beneficiaries. After filing, the court will evaluate the evidence and may hold a hearing. During this hearing, all sides will have the opportunity to present their arguments. The judge will consider the interests of the trust and its beneficiaries to determine if removal is justified. If the court agrees to the removal, it will also appoint a successor trustee. This can be someone named in the trust or a person selected by the court to ensure the trust assets are managed properly moving forward. Throughout this process, it is important to document any concerns about the trustee's conduct and maintain open communication with all beneficiaries. Acting promptly is essential to protect the trust's assets and ensure that fiduciary responsibilities are upheld. Starting the trustee removal process involves identifying valid grounds, reviewing the trust terms, consulting with beneficiaries, seeking legal counsel, filing a court petition, and allowing the court to decide based on the evidence. This structured approach helps safeguard the trust and its beneficiaries.